Hey there, people of YouTube. I'm having trouble with data storage. I've got 300 videos and I'm running out of places to put them. So let me just kind of show you what I have here. I've got my old computer, a desktop, and that is full. And you can see there is a box there labeled DV tapes, and there's a whole bunch of them in there, and those are full. Then I've got my laptop here. That's got 1.5 terabytes of memory on that, but I need that for work, and I do drafting on the computer and video editing on the computer, accounting on the computer. So that computer is working all the time, and it has a lot of storage demand on it, so it gets filled up quickly. Then what I've been using for a solution is these assorted hard drives I have here, thumb drives, DVD discs, and they work good, but it's still not enough. DVDs are kind of subject to breakage, scratching, dirt, so it's kind of a volatile form of data. Then what I don't like about the hard drives is that they're open and loose and they can be damaged. Then I've got some thumb drives, and they're slow, but they do hold a lot of data. And I also have some SD drives, SD cards, and they work okay. But I have to find a solution of where to put all of these videos that I have, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. So let me show you what I think I've found to solve the problem, and let me close up this camera, and you can follow along, and I'll change the view and show you a little more detail on the devices that I have and what I want to get. Okay, so let me change cameras here. Alright, so here's what I'm doing to get my data right now. I have this SATA IDE adapter that plugs into the USB 2 port on my laptop. And so right now what I'm doing is this is an 80 gigabyte 3.5 inch hard drive with a 7200 RPM. This is the hard drive out of my previous laptop, and this has 500 gigabytes on it. So I can use this adapter to plug into the USB port on the laptop, and I'm getting information on and off of these okay, mostly on, but these two are full. Then I've also got these hard drives here. So here's another one, 3.5 inch. I've got three more 2.5 inch. This is from the previous laptop too, and these two, these are 250 gigabytes each, and these are off the laptop before the previous laptop, but they work pretty good. So I've got 500 plus 500 plus 250 plus 250, so 2 terabytes, and then this here's 80 gigabytes, and this one here, this is a hard drive from 1997 that holds 8 gigabytes. So I guess I've got 1 terabyte, 80 gigabytes. Then I've also got, here's the USB 3 thumb drive with 128 gigabytes on that. And I forget how much I paid for that, like $70 or something. This is a USB 2 thumb drive, and that's 256 gigabytes, and I think that also was about $60 for that. This is a SD card. It's a micro SD card, and this here is an adapter to make it fit into the port on the side of the laptop here. And you can see that I already have another adapter in the slot there. So all of these are full. I am rapidly running out of places to put data. So what am I going to do to solve the problem? Okay, here are some DVD discs, but those don't hold very much. They only hold about 4 gigabytes each. That's like 2 videos. So given that I've got 310 videos, it isn't going to work for me. That would take a whole stack of them, and then if you've burned a DVD, you know how long that would take, a couple of hours to burn each one of them. So time and size wise, the DVD is just not a good way to go. This is what I'm looking at. This is an IC dock 4-bay external 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch hard drive box, and it's $229. It plugs in through either a USB 3 cable or an eSATA cable. So it's got lots of connectivity options on it. And then another advantage is that it holds active, usable 4 hard drives at a time of any combination of sizes. You can have all 3.5, a mix of 3.5, 2.5, or all 2.5. So that's pretty handy. Then what I would do is get additional hard drives. And what you see here is recommended accessory. Of course it's recommended. It's a 4 terabyte, 7200 RPM internal hard drive, 3.5 inch size. So that one disk would hold 3 times what all of this stuff does. So just that one would hold everything I have here plus 3 more times. So it looks like this is going to be one of my better options to solve my storage problem. Not too expensive, and so $229 for that, and then $130 to $180 depending on the size of other hard drives. I could have all my storage problems solved for $500. Then the other thing I like is that it will hold the hard disks internally, so they'll be protected from getting kicked around, dust, dirt, spills, all that kind of stuff. And then just handling. I'll have 4 hard disks available for access at any time, just plugged into a USB 3 port. So that is what I'm working on right now. And yeah, if you've got suggestions for a better way to do this, I'm open to hearing what you have to say. But I think I've got a pretty good solution to the problem. So, okay, hope you found this interesting and maybe got something you can use yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you like it. I can always use more subscribers, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.